Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to change out your joystick on the right joycon for your Switch, because if you play a lot on the Switch, you'll experience it drifts quite frequently. But I just want to make sure before you switch this out, you might want to try recalibrating it in your settings before you go out and purchase a new joystick. If you want me to do a video on that, just where to find it, just leave a comment down below. Or if you want me to show you how to do the left joystick, because it is a little bit different on the inside once you actually open it up. So, first, to get the joystick on Amazon and all the tools you need, it's like $13, and then the actual joysticks after is like $5 a piece, so not super expensive. So, you want to take these 4 screws out. There's one here, 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 and here. So you just take these out. You're going to want to make sure you keep onto the screws, because they are necessary. And if you do lose them, you can even buy joysticks that come with extra screws. That's nice. For super cheap still. Because if the joysticks weren't cheap, I would really hate the Switch. Because mine drift all the time. Okay, last one. Just like so. Now, so usually you can get this up with just your fingernail, but if you need help, sometimes kits will provide a tool like this. Kinda got that edge right there. Camera can get it or not. Maybe. Anyways, you see the point. Kinda goes in, skins those crevices that your fingernails can't. Just put it in there and lightly pry it open. Follow the seam down the back here. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Okay, now want to slowly open it like so. Now if you really want, you can take these ribbon cables off, but to get this piece off, I just leave it there. So first you're going to want to very gently take the battery out. Yours might be a little glued down at the bottom, so just be careful. Let that drape over the side there. Now for this one, there's like a little card here. I'll make sure you get that out of the way too. And then there are screws that hold this down before you get to the actual joystick. That's where your other screwdriver comes in. I think there's 3 screws here. Pretty sure. Okay. There's 1. 2. And 3. Again, make sure you know where all your screws are here. It's like these ones, they're still in here. Okay. Kind of just let that sit there. Just make sure you don't break the ribbon cable there. You can take that little ribbon off. I'll show you how to take these ribbons out and stuff, because you're going to need to for the joystick. But that's just extra steps if you want to make sure you don't break it. Okay, now this is the actual joystick right here. There's 2 screws holding it in, and then a ribbon. Electrical ribbon. Just make sure you put these screws aside, because they do matter where they go. This piece getting in the way. Okay, get that out of there. Now, this tricky part, the actual ribbon. Yikes. Okay, so the ribbon there, if you have something like a tweezers or some, it's a whole lot easier. There's a little black part right there at the end. Right up here. You can even use your fingernail for this. Just want to lightly put it up. Once it's up, the ribbon can come out freely. Just pull it, just like that, it comes out. And then you just take joystick out. Oh, forgot I still have my rubber things on. Yeah, take those off if you have grips or whatever on it. Boom, just like that. So, okay, let's now replace it. Get a nice, fresh new one. Oh yeah. Whoops. Okay, let's put it back in the hole. Like so. Get this ribbon. Ribbons are the trickiest part. Just want to make sure it's in there, touching the metal. It's not going to go in that far, so don't try to push it in super far. You're going to want to push that black tab back down. Just like that. And then you want to screw the joystick back in. Just make sure you got your screws. Mine are over here. This actually has like a magnet thing on the tip. It's really nice for the small screws. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just screw it in. Make sure it's nice, flat, tight. It's not going anywhere. Alright, it's installed. Now we flip this back. Just make sure this ribbon cable here isn't tangled or anything like that. Oh, it's tangled, I think. Okay, let's flip it around. Maybe wrong way. Okay, just like that. Then you take your screws, put those back in. I like to do this one first, because it actually holds this plastic piece in. But nail gets magnetized to this part. It's hard. Okay. Just like so. Now we have these two screws up here that need going. Like that. Last screw. Alrighty. Nice and tight in place. Put the battery back. This thing goes right in there. Then you flip the case back over. Okay. First things first, you can see this thing fell out. I want to leave it there so you can see that these things fall out all the time. But it's okay, you can easily put it back. Just take it. Okay, well, if it starts blinking like that, you know you didn't completely break it too, if you're worried about that. But yeah, so I wanted to leave that out so you can see it. Pretty much fix that. You just take this cartridge back out, just put it right back in. Anyways, yeah. So before you completely screw everything in, you probably want to make sure this works. So you grab your switch. Turns on. Look like that. It works. Okay. Well, that's it for this video on how to change joystick. Comment down below if you want to see the left one. This thing still works. So, yeah, comment below if you want to see the left one right there get changed out. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you.